This presentation was brought to you by Ryan Maiku, Josiah Sarceno, and Daniel Galdames. Salt marshes are a critical interface between the land and sea. They provide habitat for fishes, birds, and shellfishes, protect coastal cities from storms, and they take nutrients out of the water coming from upland areas, which protects coastal bays from overpopulation. Losses of healthy salt marshes have accelerated in recent decades, with some losses caused by sea level rise and development.
Our project is based upon how rib mussels, also known as Jukensia demissa, and their pseudofeces affect the salt marsh and their environment. Pseudofeces is a specialized method of expulsion that filter feeding mussels use in order to get rid of suspended particles which cannot be used as food.
Back in October, our group visited the Flax Pond Salt Marsh and collected samples at 4 separate locations, in which we collected 3 samples of pseudofeces, water, and sediment at each location. To collect pseudofeces, we used 50mm Falconite tubes to scoop up the samples, which were then used to store the pseudofeces. To collect water samples, we uprooted plants in the marsh and used the water found underneath. Then, we used a hand sediment core to obtain samples of sediment in the area.
We plan to extract DNA from our sediment and pseudofeces samples using the DNA Easy Power Sorter Kit. Then we will send the samples out for 16S RNA sequencing. 16S RNA sequencing is used for the 30S subunit of prokaryotic ribosomes, which is used to identify specific types of bacteria.
ArcMap GIS 10.6 is an application we have used to plot our data onto a map of the Flax Pond Salt Marsh. So far, we have marked the location of the 4 areas we took our samples from. We also plan to do more with ArcMap in the future.
Studying the importance of mussels in the salt marshes ecosystem is critical in protecting Flax Pond. Our group plans to collect and analyze more samples and provide a visual representation of our data using ArcMap in the near future, and hopefully find a way to restore salt marshes to their former glory.
Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it.